In this video, we will see how to use object linking and embedding to insert data from a file in your mapped drive to another synced file in the drive. iManage Drive supports the OLE feature in Microsoft Windows. You can embed a document in another, as well as add a link to another document, provided they are both in the iManage Drive mapped folder. To ensure that links are retained across the organization, iManage recommends that all employees map iManage Drive to the same letter. For example, M Drive. We will open a Microsoft Word file and see how the link to an Excel file that is embedded in it works. As you can see here, the financial statement points to an Excel file in the mapped drive. Navigate to the document for reference using the OLE link. The same financial data is embedded in a PowerPoint presentation and gets updated whenever the source file is changed. Similarly, you can use FactSet Reports within other documents in your mapped drive, and iManage Drive ensures that the links are maintained. Users can get a view of changing trends by comparing the current expenses with the overheads 2 years back, using a single spreadsheet with the data from another spreadsheet embedded in it. When the overheads are updated in the previous spreadsheet, the latest figure is reflected in the current spreadsheet where the data is embedded. In this video, we saw how iManage Drive supports OLE links across the organization provided all users have mapped Drive to the same drive letter.